as well. Now comes one of the most important parts, and this is basically something you would set up no matter what kind of agent that you are setting up, which is the knowledge base. When an AI, for example, a customer service agent, needs to be able to answer questions, it needs the right information in order to give a good answer to those questions. And the way you do that is by giving it a good knowledge base. And we can add a bunch of different things. If we click add document right here, we can add URLs, we can add files, we can create text, we can sync with folders. Let's try the add URL. I can then go to, for example, the site detailing. That's the page we did earlier. I can set it to either single URL or multiple pages on that site. I can also do the whole website. But let's just do single URL for now. Paste in the URL right here and turn on auto refresh. This feature is very, very nice because usually in many agent platforms, you would have to sit there and refresh the knowledge base manually in order to get the newest information. Let's say that they change the prices on their website. Then you know at least within 7 days that the information will also be updated inside of the agent. So we can now click add URL. And this is going to take all of the text on our URL page right here. So you can see we have the pricing right here of the different packages. Those are very useful to give to an AI. Also, all of the testimonials are also very nice. So the AI can say, yeah, we have very happy customers. Now you can see inside of our knowledge base, we have now added this URL. So I can ask now, what is the price? And now it's going to search up this knowledge base and say, well, now it's doing the thing that it did before with the procedure, right? So instead, a better question maybe is to ask, what packages do you have? And then you can see we offer a range of detailing packages to suit your needs. We have options from a basic exterior wash to a comprehensive full detail. Can you tell me what you're looking for? Then we can say interior and exterior. Then it says either the gold or platinum packages, which if we go to the website, you can see the gold and the platinum package is the one that includes interior and exterior, which these ones at the top don't do. When you add a lot of information, you might run into issues where your knowledge base is too big. But of course, we can solve that as well. The way we do that is with RAG. RAG is basically a method where you vectorize your information. So instead of it being inside of text, you basically create vectors. It's very complicated and you don't even need to know how it works. But this basically allows the agent to kind of create like a similarity search. So instead of storing all the information inside of its brain, it basically has a library where it can search up. It can basically go to the library, find, okay, here's the information that I need, do a similarity search, and then only take that information and put it inside of its brain. That way it keeps the context low, which makes your responses better. To do that, we can click configure RAG right here, and then we can turn on RAG. And now we can see your knowledge base is small enough to be included directly in the prompt for faster responses. We don't recommend RAG for small knowledge bases. So right now we only have one URL, but RAG becomes necessary when you build agents with a massive knowledge base. Let's say you're building an agent for a massive company where they have hundreds of different documents that the AI needs to know about. Then you need to use RAG. If you don't use RAG, the AI will be overwhelmed and it will hallucinate and it'll be very slow as well. When you have a good RAG setup, which 11 Labs does for us, our responses are much faster, which is very important with voice agents, of course. We can also add a lot of other information, click add document and then add files if you want to as well. So we could also add that PDF file just to show you how you do it. Go inside downloads, drag whatever PDF file with the information that you want. And we then click add file. It's going to upload that file to the knowledge base. It's going to vectorize it, which basically makes it from text into numbers, which the AI understands better and can do similarity searches on. And now you can see it's not ready yet. It says it had to do the RAG, but now the indexing is complete. And now we can ask questions about SOPs as well, like how, maybe restart the conversation. How does the SOPs work? How do I get them? This is just a random question from the document, but you can see, understand, blah, blah, blah. These are internal guidelines. So it's combining the information now, which gives a kind of a weird response. But I think you get the point with the knowledge base. If you want to delete something from the knowledge base, like this SOP thing, which we don't need in a detailing agent, just click these 3 dots, click detach from agent, and there we go. Now you only have this website inside of its knowledge base, which for now is good. And when we only have one website, we don't need RAG. I'll just click disable RAG like this, and this means that the agent will be faster.